So this is my second save. This is my actual working farm that I'm actually playing on. This is my shitty little farmhouse. So open the door. It's a little living area with a proper TV. There is a light switch here. This is obviously the kitchen, the washing machine, bath, and a bed you can actually use to sleep in. As you can see on the menu, it's just come up to sleep. It's more of a mat. There's a bed in it. And then up here is just decoration stuff, but it's all just boxes and shite. Yeah, so that's the little farmhouse, basic. I did the floor sort of thing myself on this farm. I've gravelled the whole farm yard area and just put a bit of grass and some more sand or something. This is obviously a little shed, basic shed. There's my Fiat Uno and my little go around with 6 wheels this time. 3.8 on the back. It's not a very strong vehicle. And again, on this farm, I haven't got massive equipment. Immediately to the back is obviously a shed, a warehouse. No smoking, because it's made of wood. Above, light switch. Obviously, that's not the light switch. The light switch is over here. It's not. What's the light switch? There's the light switch. There we go. So that's the corn planter. So that's a sprayer. This old looking thing here is a cultivator and seeder. This is my manure spreader. This is my lime spreader. That goes on the back of a trailer, a tractor. That's the plough. And that's my soil tester. That I meant to put on the back of my John Deere green machine. On this farm I've actually put in some lights because it gets really dark. So these lights are automatic. So when it comes night time it will obviously light up the whole place. So front of the buildings have lights as well. So this is the main vehicle shed. This is a pretty cool shed actually because it's got a skylight and they're actually named each buttons on this one. Pretty cool. And if it rains, the rain will come through the hole. So I'll close that in case it rains. Turn the light on. Right, so we'll start from this side. This is a skid loader. I think it's called a skid loader. Basically, I attach forks or a little crane thing that goes in the front of it. This is my truck. Cost me 20 grand. Nothing special, just a normal fifth wheel and all the attachments on it. This is gooseneck low loader. And these, because on the console version of Farm Sim you can't strap vehicles to beds or to anything. So I found a mod that gets around it. These are wheel chocks. So you put one on each side of the wheel. Obviously this goes on the left side, that goes on the right side. And strap down the back of it to the deck of the trailer. And the wheels should get locked in between the chocks and it won't go anywhere. But it won't go side to side or forwards. And then you can put this little bar on top of the vehicle and it will strap, if the vehicle's not too tall, it will strap to the trailer then. That's pretty cool. This is my little tipper trailer. Dinky tipper trailer. This is my auger trailer. It's smaller than the other one, isn't it? A tanker trailer. And then these two little things. This is my big tractor. It's not very big. It's got 3 wheels on each side. And then this, I did have it as a half track, this tractor, but it looked crap. It doesn't look brilliant, no. The funny looking thing is the front loader, the world's smallest shovel. And then this is my John Deere harvester. I seem to have a thing for John Deere harvesters. Here's the headers for the harvester, corn header, cereal header. These are for the skid loader, so you've got the little crane thing for picking up bags and whatever else he's picking up. And then forks. And the 3-point hitch that will not go on. Oh yeah, it'll go on the back of the car. I don't know why I need it on the back of the car. It also goes on the back of the skid loader. And I think it will go on the front of my truck. No, it won't go on the front of the truck. Yeah, it goes on the back of the car, the skid loader. I did have another truck before I bought this Arctic. And that's what it attached to the truck I had before. But yeah, so that's in there. I'll go this way around. A little jet wash, same deal as before. Doing it on squares water. This is my workshop to customise vehicles. So you park the vehicle here next to the line, and then you go in here. Light comes on automatically in this one. There we go. And then this is the vehicle options area. Everything in there is just decoration, can't use anything in there. Over here is my diesel pump, followed by what is called on the mod thing a multi-silo thing. So you've got the 2 big grain silos and then 3 liquid silos, but you can store anything in this silo, and I currently have fertilizer, seeds, lime, all sorts of stuff in there. And that's that. That's the farm. Small. No, nothing inside, just more lights. And this is my field, the only field I own. And as you can see, it is growing perfectly. Canola growing. Should be ready for harvest any time now. Just waiting for it to change to say it's ready for harvest. But it should be any day now, and I can actually get some money. Because as you can see, I've only got 1,700 and odd. And that's my little farm, my little working farm.